For several years now, two nonprofits work to fill medical care gaps here in Northeast Ohio and around the world. And in an exclusive report tonight, we can tell you they'll be joining forces.
Yeah, it makes sense since Medwish International and Medworks were founded by brothers and their missions complement each other. Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins explains what this merger means.
Since 1993, Medwish diverts surplus medical supplies from landfills to countries in need, saving countless lives. For 15 years, Medworks provides free medical clinics to help the uninsured and underinsured get access to care. The nonprofit organizations created by the Ponsky brothers now joining forces.
The public is going to see as more of us and more opportunities to engage, and patients that need our services locally and supplies locally.
The merger makes sense, streamlines services, and creates one of the biggest volunteer opportunities in town.
Our community is a very giving community, not only financially, but with their time. And we're going to be now providing one of the largest organizations assisting in the healthcare space.
International brigades, whether you want to volunteer on a daily basis sorting of supplies, or you want to go to dental clinics and vision clinics.
Medwish still delivering around the world, but also in their own backyard.
About 3 years ago, we started a pilot project to do local giving, to try to look at certain types of supplies that just make sense. Wheelchairs, crutches, hospital beds for people who are at home and just can't afford to get a bed that moves up and down.
The first joint venture planned for this summer, likely under a new name.
The biggest gaps have only gotten bigger, which is dental and vision care.
While we do work locally and internationally, we need to try to partner with communities and find solutions of how we can be helpful to try to move the needle and reduce that difference so that people aren't dying based on their zip code. Those disparities shouldn't be existing.
Now, two major projects ahead. They're building a mobile dental clinic, and they're going to provide care to inmates at the Cuyahoga County Juvenile Detention Center, as well as teach them how to make eyeglasses and dentures, with the hope it might inspire them to get interested in the healthcare field, Russ.
Really cool. And of course, major props to the Ponskys who have been doing this for years.
Yep.
All right, Monica, thank you.